Hello everybody. In last session, we start our 8th chapter, Basic Utilities in Ubuntu Linux. What is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is an operating system. An introduction to terminal. Terminal means the area where we work. This is the terminal. These are all the using GNOME terminal. The terminal can be started by following menus chain application accessories terminal by pressing the shortcut key Control Alt T. As can be observed in figure 8.1, the appearance of the screen is not so attractive. See, this is not attractive, GNOME. To get different look as shown in figure 8.2, the terminal being GUI window can be moved, resized, minimized and maximized just like any other window. See, this is a simple different window. One major limitation of the text mode screen is that they can only display a fixed number of lines of text. Underline this line. What is the limitation of the text mode screen? They can display only fixed number of lines. See, this is the something different attractive window than that previous window. The terminal even supports multiple tabs as shown in figure 8.4. Each tab holds a separate terminal. We may create a new tab using file of open tab option, Shift Control T, shortcut key, Shift plus Control plus T. We may switch between the tabs by clicking one tab's titles using the mouse or Control Alt page up, Control Alt page down shortcut key. Underline this line, page up and page down. We may also use shortcut keys Alt N to switch to the nth terminal. So Shift Control W. We may copy a text from one terminal and paste in another to save typing. We may even copy text from some other GUI program. You must be familiar with this word. What is GUI? Graphical User Interface. We are working in Linux. We are working with terminal. These both are new word for you. What is a Linux? Linux is an operating system. What is GUI? Graphical User Interface. Windows is a graphical user interface. Linux is a both GUI as well as CLI. Like the OpenOffice org word processor on the Firefox browser, where you might have some valuable help document option and paste in the terminal. We may select these options from the edit menu or use the terminal slightly different from convention keyboard shortcut Shift plus Control plus C or Shift plus Control plus V for copy and paste. Underline this line. Generally, we are using in Windows Control C, Control V for copy and paste. But here one more button you need to press, Shift plus Control. Shift plus Control plus C and Shift plus Control plus V. You must be underline these lines. So whenever I am saying underline this line, you must be underline. These lines are really very important. Opening multiple windows, if we require multiple windows, multiple tabs in terminal, keyboard shortcuts, profile preferences in the edit menu. See, this is our application places system. Jignesh is our username. In previous session, we already see username. File, edit, view, terminal, help. These submenus are here. See, Jignesh, what you want to write, what you want to do. This is open top panel and bottom panel. If you remember, we already covered top panel and bottom panel. Opening multiple windows, multiple tabs in terminal. The terminal has the options, keyboard shortcuts and profile preferences in the edit menu. While the first option allows us to change the keyboard shortcuts and the second one gives control over the appearance of the terminal as well as the some other options like scrolling. So this window, see, this is all options are here. Editing profile default. Which profile you want to set by default? General, title, command, colors, background, scrolling, compatibility. All these things will be available here. Profile preferences in terminal. Terminal. Which look you want to show your terminal, you will be set from here. When we start terminal, a new Linux CLI. What is CLI? When this word will come, you must be remember command line interface. What is difference between CLI and GUI? GUI is the graphical user interface where we are working with mouse, and CLI is a command line user interface. CLI, we are working only with text. This difference you must be remember every time. So this chapter is really very lengthy. We must be covered only highlight of the topics. Manipulating files and directories. What do you mean by manipulating? Editing, creating, deleting, these all things means manipulating. Ubuntu comes with file browser software called Nautilus. Underline this line. Are you getting this point? Ubuntu comes with file browser software called Nautilus. Underline, filling the blanks, this question will come. The name Nautilus here refers to the sea creature, the picture of the world, which is the icon for the Nautilus software. You can see it in Nautilus by clicking help about. What is Nautilus? Search in the Google. Now you are aware, you are searching the multiple things with the help of Google. When you open any file system location from the local computer, from another or from network, using the places menu, it actually opens the Nautilus file browser. It allows us to, what is browser? Did you aware about this? This word is new for you. Browser. Browser is a software which we are using to run the internet. Without browser, we are unable to work with the internet. If you want to open internet on your mobile or on your laptop, on your desktop, on your palm top, what are you using? Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator. If you have an Apple, which software we are using? You must be know. All these are the internet browser. If these browsers are available, then only you are able to working with internet. So Ubuntu comes with file browser software called Nautilus. Ubuntu comes with Nautilus file browser. This is a file browser where we are browsing the files. Browsing the files, that means what? Suppose in left panel I click on network, all the network file will be appear here. I will click on desktop, all desktop file will become here. So how to create a file, opening file and directory, you may double click on file or folder. What is file? What is folder? You must be know the difference between file and folder. File where we can write some information which is important for us and we can save it. And folder, we can arrange our files into the folder. We cannot write anything in the folder. We just maintain, we just contain the files. We can just manage the files into the folder. You must be know the difference between file and folder. So how do you want to open file, open with, appearance, base row, all these you must be read once. Different views in Nautilus. How many views? If you remember Writer, Calci, Impress, we are seeing different view, page preview, normal view, this print preview. So this type of view, different view, the thing is same, but we just look that thing in a different way. That is a view. We shall use the term file system object in this section to mean a file or directory. Nautilus offers 3 different ways to look at the list of files and directory in the current directory. These are the icon view, list view, and compact view. You are aware about it. What do you mean icon view? The files and folders stored in your computer, you will see it in the icon view. The list view, you are able to see in list view. See, this is a list view. I will show you here. This is called list view. Everything will be displayed here. Folder name, date modified, type. This is called list view. In icon view, only icon will be displayed. And compact view, the view that can be selected by using the view selection tool near the right hand side of the toolbar. The shortcut key Ctrl+1, Ctrl+2 and Ctrl+3 can be used. Creating files and directories. A directory can be created inside the current directory by either selecting the option create folder from the file menu or selecting the same option from the context menu. Underline these, both lines are very important. Selecting the files and directory, just click on it. It will be the selected. Deleting file and directory. After selecting one or more files and directory, pressing delete key on the keyboard will delete the selected objects. You know this very well. So we cannot go deeply in these paragraphs. So we'll continue renaming file and directory. We can delete, we can rename, we can create the file, copy and paste, select it and copy paste it. The X Windows system maintains common clipboard. The clipboard is capable of holding one object at any given point of time. So irrespective of its size, any X Windows software may copy or paste. You know very well we are doing copy paste properly. Cut paste operation. What is different between copy and paste? In copy, our old file will be there and we can paste it another file. And cut paste, we can cut that file from old place and paste it in another place. When we paste it from the old location, the file or directory will be removed. It will be not available there. While copy paste operation is used to create a copies of the object while retaining the original objects at their original location. Cut. So all this explanation will be here. You must be read properly when you get time. The drag and drop option. Just simple click it and move it another time location. From one location to another location. Bookmarks and searching. Why we are using bookmark? Go to first page, go to last page, just click here. If you use some folder frequently, you may find it cumbersome to reach a folder starting from one of the built-in place. In such situation, you may open the folder once and select the option bookmarks. Add bookmark. This will add the folder permanently to the side pane as the bookmark. Underline this line. Add bookmark option is add the folder permanently to the side pane as a bookmark is added to the places menu. Calculator. This is by default software. You are using this calculator if it is required. I hope you will be clear all these contents. How to create a file folder, delete it, cut, copy, paste it. Drag and drop option, bookmark and searching. The calculator. You can see the calculator program looks like strikingly similar in the hardware counterpart. The calculator which we are using in our daily routine life, same calculator is available in our software. Software means it comes with the Ubuntu package. So this is scientific mode. The gedit text editor. What is gedit text editor? This is a simple text editor like a notepad. In Windows we are using notepad. In Linux we are using gedit. Thank you. I will complete my session here. We will continue our next session from this content only. Thank you very much.